Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back and I'm better. If you guys are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Edwina Dorber and welcome to Dwin'sWorldd. I know it's been a while since I posted on my page, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your twist like this. As you can see from the title of the video, I got this hair from QVR Hair. It's human hair mini twists. And today I'm just going to show you guys from the start to the finish, okay? I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. You guys can also go ahead and check out all my social platforms. They're going to be linked right here on the screen or in the description box below. I love you guys, and let's get right into the video. Quick story about this hair. I wanted something simple. I wanted something natural, like when you wash your natural hair and you twist it out. That's what I wanted, and that's exactly what I got. Let me show you guys exactly what the hair looks like. It looks so natural. The parting is free parting. I really like it. I would say one thing that I wish that I did differently was get longer hair, just a tad bit longer, because it just looks so short, but at the same time it looks like my natural hair. But this is the hair right here. These twists look so natural. It looks like my natural hair. Easy, breezy. And when people ask me like, is that your hair? Yes, it's all my hair. Hey loves, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the QVR Natural Black Afro Kinky Bulk Hair in 14 inches. This hair is 100% human hair. It's soft, lightweight, and blends perfectly with your natural textures. It doesn't shed, it holds moisture well, and also it's easy to maintain. I'm going for a more natural medium-sized twist out. I want this hair to look like it's coming from my scalp or my natural hair, so it's gonna be free parting. I just wanna be able to style it up and down. So if you really like this hair and you like this video, you guys can check out the link to this hair in my description box. Comment below and see more videos like this. But before we get started in this video, I have a quick confession to make. Your girl cannot twist or braid hair with nails on, so I had to take them off to twist these hair. I hope you guys like this video and watch to the end. I love you guys. Mwah. today. I really enjoy making this hair content. I've been doing my hair for so long, since I was in 7th grade. Your girl been doing hair for a long time. This hair was just like a quick medium-sized twist. I didn't feel like I had enough hair, which is my fault, to put on my head for this twist. I wanted it to look like more like a twist out when you do your natural hair, and that's exactly what it's given. I just wish it was a tad bit longer, but this is what the hair looks like. It looks so natural. Look at this. Like, the parting is just like free parting, easy to wear. Like I said, if you really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. And if you're a brand out there who want to work with me on braiding hair, wigs, fashion, beauty, skincare, the list goes on, send me an email and I'll be happy to collaborate. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I love you and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.